Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So let's say so. I mean, if you can access it using Outlook, then most likely the server is also maintained by Microsoft Office. Right, although you may have, your email domain would be something at Credit Suisse.com. Right. But that domain, etc., the email provider can still be Microsoft Outlook, right, or Microsoft Office. Right. So, in that case, your information, the moment you join somebody needs to somebody, or something needs to send your information to Microsoft. Right. Microsoft will create that account for you. Maybe it takes them, let's say, half a second to create your account based on your first name, last name, company domain, date of joining, etc. Maybe it takes them half a second because it's automated. And then they will return your email ID. So there's something at Credit Suisse.com. Right. And then the application receives it and updates your worker record in the HR system. Right. That this is the equivalent, that this is the email ID that has been created for this particular worker. Right. The entire process is automated. No one needs to call Microsoft. No one needs to keep waiting on the call, and no one needs to dictate the name and take down the email address. It is fully automated. So how did this happen? How did two different applications exchange data using an integration? Right. So the integration is the process, or integration is the way in which we will connect two different software applications so that they are able to talk to each other or communicate with each other. And what is communication? Information exchange. Right. Any kind of communication is information exchange. So this is what we are going to do in the next 2.5 weeks. Right. We are going to see how they can exchange information with other applications. Right. So the first part of it is step 1. What is step 1? Data collection, or getting the data from a data source. Isn't it? That is the first part of it, and that is what we are going to start when we discuss Report Writer. Because reporting the reports in Workday will help us to get the data from the Workday system. Right. Understand where this fits in the entire scheme of things. What is an integration, and what is a report? Okay. What is an integration? If I ask you somebody, can you try to explain it in your own words? You may use any terms that you want. You do not have to use the terms that I used. What is an integration? It's a collection of information and data, and transforming it using some source or some protocols that you use, and send it across to the right person. Okay. Yes. But let me correct you. One small correction I would do to what you said is, the integration does not create data. It does not have data. It is in the business of just transporting the data. Right. It's just. Integration will just get the data from somewhere, transform it if necessary, and deliver it. Okay. Nothing else. Yes. Mohan, what would you say? What is an integration? Integration is nothing but copying from some other source the data. Like last time, I think we had one example. I have an XR software currently, and we are converting it to Workday. So we will copy the data from all the data from previous software to current software, like Workday software. So that can be integrated. And also that can be an integration. Yes. And also, for example, I have a separate software for recruitment only. So the other recruitment data has to become to Workday afterwards. So that can be integration part also. Correct. And what are the okay? Good. So good examples. If I have to send information from one existing system into Workday, right? Maybe we are doing a Workday migration. So we have to load all the legacy data, whatever is there in the previous system. We have to convert that into a format that is understandable by Workday. And then we load it into Workday. Right. That can be one integration. Okay. What else did you say? What was the other example? Sorry. One was data load. Mohan, what was the other example you said? Other example. I have taken that recruitment. Oh, ATS. Right. Yes. So you got it. You get the data from your applicant tracking system. Right? It can be Talio, it can be anything else, and then you send the information into Workday. Yes. Ashwini, yes, you go next. In a simple words, can we take it as a data exchange or communication between the applications? Absolutely. Yes. That is what it is. Right. In very simple terms, that is what it is. Between the applications, right? Absolutely. It is information exchange communication between software applications. That's a very nice way of putting it. Yes. Very simple, very crisp way of putting it. That is exactly what an integration is. And then, if I ask you, what are the 3 steps of an integration? Of any integration for that matter. What are the 3 broad steps? Data collection transformation. And third one was think logically. Like if you have to and send it across, right? Yes. If you have to send the information. If somebody requests you for some information, you have to send it. What would you do? Get the data, you change it. And then you're exchanging. Yes. So we in Workday's terminology, we call it as getting the data, transforming it, and sending the data. Right. Well, We do this every day, day in, day out. Right. If I ask you, hey, can you tell me what did? Yeah, what happened in the... Let's say you had a party yesterday. You couldn't go. So you ask somebody who did, hey, can you tell me what happened in the party yesterday? And then what would you do? You say, oh yeah, you know what? I left after having dinner. Let me call someone who was there till the end and get back to you. So you are...
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@uptalk.com.